it not come out? I've never seen one. I've always seen people use little plugs, but nothing like this. This is like advanced. Port plug.
Pop the third port open and it'll tune it in.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
By any means. Get together and come up here.
Okay. Whoa.
A little different last time you were in it.
You got some fur action. Sweet.
Well, I built this for the wife. This is what she wanted.
Okay. She likes the fur flex?
Yes.
Nice. Nothing wrong with that. So what's in here in your name?
Name's Gabe, Elite Heroes. Got 4 CV6 dual 115s, 4 MD AK Terrence, 3 8-inch big ass ports. Plug in one of them, that way we can drop it down to 27 to demo. Kenwood 9407. Excuse me. Yeah, 9407.
Okay.
Tweaks are dead right now. Got 4 Sundown NEO Pro 8s.
Alright.
And the doors, which aren't finished by any means.
Yes, sir.
And a little Terrence 800 by 40. Oh.
Yep. Oh, you're good. You blackened out your whole windows, so it's really dark.
Yeah.
But you can't see nothing inside, so it's pretty different. Okay. Nice. I'll check out the back. Is there a way I can see the back?
Yeah.
And you just got it playing yesterday, you said?
Yeah.
Wow. There you go. Port plug.
Pop the third port open and it'll tune it at 32.5. Plug it, it tunes it down to 27 so she can do a little bit more demoing with it.
Yeah. How does that plug work?
This is the wife's. I built this for her. She wanted something to play with.
I have a 415 Nova that's 62 twos.
I have no idea. I had 4 SA18s in it doing a 58.7 in it. But she wants something for her to play with. Yeah, that's cool.
Is this just a suction base, or is it like threaded in so it doesn't? Because how does it not come out? I've never seen one. I've always seen people use little plugs, but nothing like this. This is like advanced. It's pretty cool.
Remember I had the dodgeball.
Yeah, she had a dodgeball, yes, with your 418s. Oh, so it's rubber.
It's got a rubber boot in it,
Yeah.
and as you tighten it up, it swells it, so it locks into the port.
That gives you more cubic space too then.
It's actually made for plumbing, plugging off on plumbing,
Yeah.
but works great for this.
Sweet.
You know how many cubes it is?
13.1 net.
Nice. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we got of Gabe's system and his wife's vehicle. So did a really good job. Shout out to you. Everybody definitely recommend also. This is his previous system he was talking about when he had 4 18-inch subwoofers with a port blocked by a ball, and now he has this professional port. So definitely recommend checking out that link in the description if you want. So 3 8-inch Aeroports in this box, and he plugs the center one so he can play down into the low 20 hertz range without issues. So go ahead and give Gabe a comment if you haven't already. Say something positive about his system that you like, as well as give him a like. So I really like that he's able to optimize his SPL score by taking out that removable center port block on these 3 8-inch Aeroports to get a higher tuning frequency. I think he said it was a low 30 hertz tuning with that port plug in, mid 20 hertz range. So a really nice, cool design there. If anybody's trying to build a box, this is a good idea to use to be able to plug a port to get musical response, and then if you want to burp it to be louder for SPL, or to trial and air. So definitely trying that out. It's a pretty cool design there. So shout out to you, Gabe, and everybody. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're about to get to the bass demo. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2021. So I hope you're enjoying the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't for daily cardio videos, and let's get to the demo. Hey, thank you, man. Afterward. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
The salt shaker untied my shoe this morning. Matt really gave it to me in there. I swear, it untied my shoe.
Whew.
Be patient, my USB's man.
ain't no motherfucking king.
plays really low. Yeah, definitely like I guess, yeah, 25, 29 hertz around that range. Nice. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.